Every night, millions of people close their eyes without realizing that something silent is happening inside them. Their vision, once clear, bright, and full of color, is slowly dimming, not just because of age, but because their eyes are starving. They're missing the vital nutrients that keep them alive, the microscopic fuel that allows the world to stay sharp and vibrant. The next morning brings the same familiar signs: a blur when reading under the lamp, a sting of dryness, or that unsettling discomfort when driving at night. These are not random inconveniences of getting older. They're gentle whispers from your eyes, asking for help. But what if you could nourish them while you sleep? Imagine giving your body the exact ingredients it needs to rebuild your vision, cell by cell, during the deepest part of your rest. Recent discoveries in nutritional science show that certain natural foods, when eaten in the evening, can trigger a powerful internal process called retinal regeneration, the rebuilding of the delicate, light-sensitive cells that allow you to see clearly. And here's the best part. Most of these foods are already sitting quietly in your kitchen. Let's begin with one of the most underestimated yet powerful foods for the eyes, the sweet potato. Beneath its bright orange skin lies one of nature's purest sources of beta-carotene, the compound your body transforms into vitamin A. This vitamin isn't just another supplement. It's the foundation of night vision and the nutrient responsible for keeping your retina healthy and responsive to light. About 2 hours after you eat it, your liver begins converting beta-carotene into active vitamin A, which then travels through your bloodstream directly to your retina. There, during REM sleep, when blood flow to the eyes increases, vitamin A begins repairing light-sensitive cells that have been worn down throughout the day. Research has shown that people who eat sweet potatoes regularly see improvements in night vision and fewer issues with glare and dryness. The secret is simple. Bake or steam one medium sweet potato with the skin on. The skin itself holds protective antioxidants. And here's a small but powerful trick. Add a little healthy fat, like coconut oil or grass-fed butter. Since vitamin A is fat-soluble, this boosts absorption by nearly 4 times. Eat it about 90 minutes before bedtime, and let your body use that nourishment while you sleep. One more thing. Never microwave it. High microwave heat can destroy half of those fragile nutrients. A warm baked sweet potato before bed is one of the gentlest gifts you can give your eyes. Another healing food for the eyes comes from the ocean, wild-caught salmon. If you often wake up with dry, irritated eyes, your body might be running low on essential fatty acids. Salmon, especially wild-caught, is rich in DHA, an omega-3 that forms almost 60% of the retina's fatty acids. DHA is the material your eyes use every single night to rebuild photoreceptor cells, the tiny sensors responsible for color and detail. But salmon's secret doesn't stop there. Its pink hue comes from a rare antioxidant called astaxanthin, a natural protector that shields your eyes from blue light damage caused by screens and sunlight. Studies show that people who eat salmon twice a week have a significantly lower risk of age-related macular degeneration and improved eye hydration. To get the best results, bake or grill wild salmon gently with a touch of turmeric and black pepper. These spices boost anti-inflammatory effects. Avoid farmed salmon, which often lacks these nutrients. Eating wild salmon in the evening can help your eyes stay moist, refreshed, and visibly brighter by morning. From the sea, we move to the mountains of Asia, where goji berries have been used for thousands of years as a tonic for vision. Modern research now confirms what ancient healers already knew. Goji berries are among the richest sources of zeaxanthin, a nutrient that concentrates in the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp detail. Zeaxanthin acts like an internal shield, filtering harmful blue light and protecting your eyes from oxidative stress. Just a small handful can make a meaningful difference. In one clinical study, adults who ate a small serving of goji berries daily increased their macular pigment density by over 20% in 3 months. Most of them reported clearer night vision and less eye fatigue. To prepare them, soak a small portion of dried goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes before eating. This softens their skin and releases more of the active compounds. You can enjoy them alone or with plain Greek yogurt. The healthy fats in yogurt dramatically improve absorption. Avoid mixing goji berries with coffee or green tea, since the tannins can block their nutrients. Think of them as tiny red guardians that quietly repair your eyes while you sleep. Another unexpected ally for vision is the humble egg, specifically the yolk. For years, many avoided eggs out of fear of cholesterol, but science has changed that story. The yolk of a pasture-raised egg is one of the most concentrated and absorbable sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, two pigments that protect your eyes from aging and sunlight damage. What makes eggs remarkable is how these nutrients come naturally packaged with healthy fats, making them 5 times easier for your body to use compared to plant sources. Studies have found that eating 2 organic egg yolks a day for just 12 weeks can significantly improve the density of protective pigments in the macula, enhance contrast sensitivity, and reduce glare when driving at night. For maximum benefit, cook them gently over low heat for only a few minutes. High temperatures destroy these delicate compounds. 2 softly scrambled yolks before bed can help your eyes recover from the strain of a long day. Now let's look at one of the most fascinating berries in eye health history, the bilberry. During World War II, British pilots reportedly ate them before night missions to improve their vision in the dark. Later, scientists discovered why. Bilberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that not only protect your retinal cells, but also improve communication between your eyes and brain. They strengthen tiny blood vessels, enhance oxygen delivery, and help your retina respond better to light. Research shows that bilberry extract can slow the progression of age-related vision loss and even sharpen night vision. To use them effectively, eat a small handful of fresh bilberries or take a standardized extract capsule before bed. If you're using frozen ones, thaw them completely and drink the juice that melts off. That liquid is full of concentrated nutrients. Pairing them with walnuts can double absorption and increase blood flow to the eyes. Avoid mixing them with citrus fruits or vitamin C supplements at the same time, since that can reduce their potency. Bilberries are like nature's night vision goggles, helping you see the world more clearly when light fades. Closely related are black currants, dark berries rich in vitamin C and gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA. Together, these compounds repair tiny capillaries in your eyes, improving oxygen flow and reducing inflammation. Some studies suggest they can even help stabilize glaucoma by reducing intraocular pressure and supporting optic nerve health. The best way to enjoy black currants is to eat them fresh, lightly crushed to release their natural oils, or to take a small spoonful of black currant seed oil before bed. Combine it with a bit of cottage cheese or yogurt. The fat helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively. Over time, these little berries help keep the highways of your eyes, your blood vessels, open and flexible, ensuring every cell gets the nourishment it needs. Then there's saffron, the golden spice once worth more than its weight in gold. Modern studies have revealed something extraordinary. Saffron can actually improve and even reverse early signs of macular degeneration, a condition once believed to be permanent. Its secret lies in 2 carotenoids, crocin and quercetin, which help rejuvenate light-sensitive cells in the retina. In one groundbreaking clinical study, seniors who took saffron supplements for 6 months not only slowed their vision loss but actually regained some lost clarity, reading 2 extra lines on an eye chart. You can harness saffron's magic by steeping a few threads in warm milk or unsweetened almond milk for about 15 minutes. Add a touch of honey and cardamom to enhance circulation. Drink this golden milk an hour before bed. As you drift into deep sleep, saffron's compounds go to work, improving blood flow and activating your retina's natural repair system. Finally, the most surprising vision-restoring food of all, raw cacao. Not the sweetened chocolate powder from the grocery store, but pure, unroasted cacao, the ancient food of the gods. Cacao is rich in flavonoids, especially epicatechin, which enhances blood flow to the retina and energizes the mitochondria, the tiny power plants within your cells. In simpler terms, cacao helps your eyes recharge during sleep. Studies have shown that people who consume raw cacao daily experience faster visual processing, thicker retinal tissue, and sharper focus. To make it at home, mix 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder into warm almond or cashew milk, never boiling, and add a touch of cinnamon and cayenne pepper. This combination increases nutrient absorption and balances blood sugar, protecting your eyes from glycation damage. Drink it about 45 minutes before bedtime, on an empty stomach, and you'll wake up with clearer, more vibrant vision. Each of these foods works differently, yet they share one powerful truth. Your eyes are living tissue, capable of renewal. They respond to nourishment, rest, and gentle care. A baked sweet potato, a piece of wild salmon, a handful of goji berries, or a cup of golden saffron milk. These are not just meals. They are messages of healing, telling your body to restore what time has worn down. Even adding 1 or 2 of these foods consistently can make a visible difference. The goal is not perfection, it's steady progress, small acts of care repeated over time. Before you make any big changes, remember this is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor or eye specialist, especially if you have glaucoma, diabetes, or other eye conditions. Every person's body is unique, and results can vary. But if you listen closely to what your body and your eyes are telling you and give them the fuel they truly need, your world can become clearer, brighter, and more alive than ever before. So tonight, when you close your eyes, remember, your body is still working for you, restoring, rebuilding, and healing. Give it the right food, the right care, and a little faith. Because sometimes, better vision doesn't start with glasses or surgery. It begins right there, in your kitchen, with the simple, natural ingredients that help your eyes see the world again in all its light and color. See you on the next video. Bye.